Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to get free, copyright-free videos for your YouTube channel. For example, you can't show your face like I do. You won't see my face on my channel. So I usually use the non-copyrighted video. And where do I get them? So you can use them. So here is the answer. So for that, all you have to write down on Google is Pixels free videos. That's it. Because Pixels is the best website of all the free video, anywhere you go, this is the best option. Other websites, kind of provide less quality or maybe less options. So this Pixel has everything into it. It's PEX. So I wrote Pixel. Forgive me with that one. Right click on it, and it will take you to the videos. It has pictures as well. It has videos as well. But you make sure don't use these pictures. These are a square picture. But you make sure to use them rectangular ones. So for example, I want a person working. So I want a video a person is working, so I will, you can see this video is totally free. So it has a download option as well. So that's a great one. So we don't have to use a third-party website to download it. You just gonna download it and embed it in your own videos. Don't upload this video as it is on YouTube because that's illegal. So you can use it. So it means you can, you won't get any copyright on this video. So this is a perfect way on to getting free videos for your YouTube channel. You can get free music as well for your YouTube channel, and I'll tell you how in another video. But for now, we can see how you can get the free videos. You can see there are a lot of options. Working, you write down phone, woman working, phone working on laptop, working hard. You can see there are a lot of options, and you might have seen these options on my video as well. So you can see the video has been downloaded. We're gonna check it, and let's see if we got it. Perfect. So here we go. The quality does not drop. It gives you the best high quality video. So you can see that I have got this one, and this is a perfectly high quality video which is free to use for my YouTube videos. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.